So today I want to show you how to steam your broccoli in your microwave. It is very easy and very healthy, and it can be a great side dish. I love broccoli for a side dish. So why do we need to know this? Actually, steamed broccoli is much better for you than cooked broccoli because the steamed broccoli reserves all the antioxidants and nutrients the broccoli has. And as for me, I never liked cooked broccoli because it is just too mushy and watery, and it's just not pleasant to eat. Hi guys, I'm Agnes with the Bites Fitness YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also let's be friends on social media. On Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Twitter. Our account name is Bites Fitness, and of course also you can find all the links in the description below. Okay guys, so let's see what ingredients we need for this very quick, simple recipe. Actually, it's not even a recipe, but you know. So, first of all, obviously, we need our broccoli. I have a large head of broccoli. You don't need this much. It depends on how much you want to steam, okay? I won't do the whole thing. We also need some lemon juice. I will juice some lemon. Just a drop of olive oil. Here. And some pink Himalayan salt or any salt you have or you like. Okay? Let's do this. So let's start cutting the little roses of the broccoli. I have one that is already off, so I will cut this in pieces and also the others, and I will put them in a bowl right here. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I never liked broccoli as a kid because I only knew that overcooked mushy version, that flavor was horrible and the texture as well. It was so watery, and actually that is why I also only buy fresh broccolis. This is the only vegetable, mostly, that I only like to buy fresh, because the frozen one, it's actually so watery, you can't do anything with it to make it better. But any other type of frozen vegetables are great. Peas, for example, beans, or Brussels sprouts. I don't think there is anything wrong with frozen Brussels sprouts. And also, I never had a steaming basket at home, and I've read and I've learned that if you steam the broccoli, it is actually much healthier for you, not just tastes better, and the texture is more crunchy. It's more healthy because all the nutrients stay in the broccoli. And I wanted to try this steaming, but I didn't have a steaming basket. So I figured that I can just steam it in the microwave. And it is actually the equivalent, and it is just as good as a steaming basket. Okay, we have our broccoli. Here, our little broccoli heads. I will put just a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, just a hint of olive oil, whoops, and a little bit of lemon zest. So actually you have your broccoli ready to put in the microwave. You just need a plate to put on the top to cover it, to let it steam, and let's put it in the microwave. Okay, so let's put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. This little bowl with the plate on top. Okay, and 3 minutes. Okay, let's take this out, and please be very careful because it can be really hot, and the steam, if you take off the plate, it also can be really hot. Okay, so we have it here. Oops! So let's take it, and oh, you can see the steam. It can be very warm, so please be careful. And you have your beautiful green broccolis. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables like kale or cauliflower are really great for your health, and they are recommended to eat at least once a day. Because they are rich in antioxidants, they have anti-cancer benefits. A lot of studies show that they are good for the risk of cancer. And also they are a great source of vitamin C, they support the immune system and other vitamins and essential minerals and nutrients, so they are really great for you. If you are interested in all the health benefits of broccoli or kale or cauliflower or any other type of cruciferous vegetables, I have some great food fundamentals videos for you, so please check them out. You can find the links in the description and also next to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And please leave me a comment or ask any questions about this steaming broccoli recipe or anything. I would love to answer you guys. If you are interested in other videos of this kind, you can find some next to me or in the description below. And please subscribe to the Bice Fitness YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye guys!